The outcome of the 2016 general election in February resulted in a changing of the guard, which saw Dr. Andrew Wheatley taking over from Mr. Philip Paulwell. The mining portfolio was removed from the ministry, which led to a name change: Ministry of Science, Energy and Technology. Several projects came on stream in 2016 under the energy portfolio. The objective: reduce oil imports, produce clean energy, and enable efficiency.
Us having our own energy independence speaks to our own national security. That is why this government is committed to ensure that we diversify our energy sources. And renewables is one option to ensure we have that level of independence.
The $45 million government-run Wigton 3 wind farm was commissioned in June, adding 24 megawatts of renewable energy to the national grid. In August, the opening of the Blue Mountain Renewable Wind Energy Plant added another 36 megawatts.
It's a call to utilize Jamaica's abundant renewable resources. It is a call, ladies and gentlemen, to action for the redeployment of as much of US $11 billion in savings from renewables to production and job creation in the economy.
The construction of the country's first solar energy farm, Content Solar, began operation in August. The $61 million plant will provide another 20 megawatts to the national grid. The 2016 electricity license awarded to the Jamaica Public Service Company in January enables low electricity prices to consumers and the use of liquefied natural gas, LNG. On November 11, the country's first LNG terminal was commissioned. And the possibility of producing our own gas and oil was explored. UK oil company Tullow Jamaica Limited conducted a survey offshore on the south coast of the island between February and March. The data is being assessed. Motorists affected by contaminated gas in 2015 got welcome news last year when the Energy Minister announced a push to grant them compensation.
We are currently having discussions with the marketing companies to see, even though they are not culpable, but to see as a form of goodwill gesture if we can put together some form of compensation.
Before that dialogue took place, measures were introduced in June to prevent any reoccurrence.
The government remains resolute in our commitment to ensure that measures are in place to protect consumers.
Under the technology portfolio, access to government information was made easier and free of cost with the launch of the Open Data Portal in June.
Jamaicans will be able to access key Government of Jamaica sites, services, and Ministry of Education content to pay taxes, apply for birth certificates, and access educational materials online for free, Mr. Speaker.
In March, technology entrepreneurs were connected to international and local players in the industry, opening doors for scholarships and business opportunities.
As a government, we are committed to propelling the animation industry.
The expansion of internet connectivity continued under the Community Access Point project by the Universal Service Fund.
With information, we can and must empower our people to be aware and secure in cyberspace.
And speaking of empowerment, the Scientific Research Council gifted 8 schools with new equipment to help practical teaching sessions in their science labs. The Ministry of Science, Energy and Technology, enabling productivity through lower electricity cost and enabling technology and science-based entrepreneurs to realize their full potential.